Hello everyone, my name is Devlet and I'm Turkmen language and literature teacher, and today I'm going to explain to you the consonants, or in Turkmen language we say çekimsizler. So in total we have 21 consonants, and now I'm going to introduce those letters, those sounds to you. Okay, let's go. So the first, let's start from the letter P. Letter P, pronounced the same as in English P and pen. So P. The next one is T. T, pronounced as in English T in 10. So P, T. The next letter is K, or K, K, both of them possible. It's the same as in English K in the keep, so the same sound. P, T, K. The next one is B, B. Yeah, in English it's the name of the letter is B, and the sound is the same as in a Turkmen, so B. In boy, so B. But there is one thing we need to bear in mind when we have B, this letter, in the beginning of the word. In the beginning of the word, we read it as a B. But if we have this letter B in the middle or at the end of the word, maybe at the end, I mean in the last syllable of the word, then we read it as a V, as a V. Later I will give you examples. So B. Let's review. P, T, K, B. That's all. Okay, let's go on to the next slide. Here we have D. D as in English D in the deep. The next letter is G. G, pronounced as English J in the geese. When in words with the vowels A, E, I, Ö, yeah. Oh, I. So in this case we read this as a G. But the same situation as with B. As you remember, I said if we have B in the beginning of the word, we read it as a B. In the middle, we read it as a V. Here with the G, we have the same situation. When we have G in the beginning of the word, we read it as a G. When we have it in the middle or in the last syllable of the word, then we read it as a G. So here is the example. Like here there is example, but a sound like the soft English R in yogurt, in words with A, I, O, U. So for example, galam. Here as you can see G in the beginning of the word, I read it as a galam, galam, G. But if we have G as a last word, as a last letter, or at the end of the word, we do not read it as a bag. No, it's not bag. We say bag. So it's a r, bag. Galam, galam, bag. I hope you can see the difference. Galam, galam, bag, r. Okay. The next one is M, pronounced in English M in meat, so the same. M. The next one N, the same as in English N, nice. And this sound is a N, is a nasal sound, N, pronounced as in English N-A-N and J together, like a sing, song, like in a suffix ing, like in a, for example, coming, coming. So that ng, like ing, ng sound. So it's a ng. Okay, next slide is l. L pronounced as English L in look, the same. L, look, L. Okay, this is the letter R pronounced the same way as English R in rice, but with a trill. So we don't pronounce it, this letter as a R, but still it's important to be able to pronounce this, to produce this sound, because some of my students, especially Chinese students, they have difficulties to pronounce this sound. They I mean, in Chinese language they just don't have this sound, so that's why they have some difficulties, but it's okay. But if you can pronounce it, then it's nice. For example, we have many suffixes with this letter, many words. For example, the word rahim. It's an Arabic word, but we use it rahim. So ra. I don't say rahim, but rahim. Ra. Okay, the next one. Se or th. As I told you in the previous videos, we have two variants of this letter. The first one is se, the next one is th. Both of them possible. It cannot affect the meaning of the word. Both of them possible, but in the let's say in the literature language, in the literature language of Turkmen, literature language, like an official language, it's better to pronounce this sound as a th. But with the words which borrowed from Russian language, we can say se. So th pronounced as a hard English th in the thing. So thing. For the English speakers, it will not be difficult because they have the same sound. Thing. Th. In Turkmen. So including Arabic and Persian. We have many words from Arabic language, and we have many words from the Farsi, and but with those words we can say th. But we have also another variant, is a se, and those words usually came from the Russian language, like a se in sun. Okay, the next one is the or the, pronounced as a soft English the in the Turkmen, like a the, like a the in Turkmen, including Arabic and Persian words. But with the words from Russian language, of course, we also have many words from Russian language. We produce this sound as a z. So it's better it's better if you can pronounce it the two variants of the and the same as with th. So th, se, the, z. Okay, another group of the consonants is sh, starting with sh. Sh pronounced as English sh in the share. So sh, it's like se, but here we have a little tail. Okay, the next letter is ch. Ch pronounced as English ch in Czech. Sh, ch. The next one, zh. Zh as in English S in treasure. So this is zh. This sound which we produce in this word, treasure. So this is the same, zh. Zh usually, maybe most of the times, we use with the words just from Russian language. You cannot see this letter in many words. No, it's just maybe one or two words in a daily usage. So it's just a few. Okay, the next one, j. J, pronounce it as English J in juice. J. J. Okay, one more time. Sh, ch, j, j. I hope you don't have any questions. Okay. The next group is h. It's the same as an English H in a whole in some words, but as a guttural ch in English German Bach in other Turkmen words. So this is h. Just making it simple, we can say it's a h. H. I know that in Arabic language they have three types of h, like a ha, h, and ha, maybe. So forgive me if I produce it is not correctly, but we just say h. That's all. We don't have three h, we have one h, and that's all. Okay, the next one is f. Pronounce it as English f in a 4. F. Okay, this one it's not w, we say it's a v. Pronounce it as English w in wagon, wagon. We say v, wagon, wagon in Turkmen, so including Arabic and Persian words, but as English v in very in words from Russian. So students, we do not pronounce this sound as a v. We say w, w. Even the word train station, vokzal, we don't say vokzal, we say vokzal, w. It's not v, it's a w, vokzal. So, and the last but not the least consonant is y. It's the same as the English y in the yes. So y. One more time. H, f, w, y. So that's all. 21 consonants. We reviewed all of them, and thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.